Good morning, students. Again we came back with our new exercise, that is exercise 6C under chapter 6 operations on algebraic expressions. In this exercise we have to divide expressions by using the given method that we apply here. In question number 1 we have to divide monomials by monomials. In question number 2 we have to divide polynomials by monomials. In which we have to divide first numerical coefficient and write rest of the expression by using laws of exponent. So the answer now becomes 6xy. In now next question where we have to divide polynomials by monomials, again we write like this. Or again by using division of polynomial by monomial rules, that is gives 4xy minus 3y plus 5xy square is the quotient for the given question. Rest of the questions in question number 1 and 2 are to be solved in assignments. Now in our next question we have to find out quotient and remainder when we divide. So in question number 3, x square minus 4x plus 4, this polynomial is to be divided by x minus 2, so that x when multiplied by x gives x square. Again this x when multiplied by minus 2 gives minus 2x. Now we have to subtract them so that this bottom expression sign to be changed. Cancelled. Minus 2x plus 4 is now becomes dividend. Now minus 2 is multiplied to x gives minus 2x, and minus 2 whenever multiplied to minus 2 gives plus 4. Again we have to change sign of this bottom expression so that remainder becomes 0. And quotient is now equal to x minus 2. Now our next question, that is 6x square minus 31x plus 47. This polynomial is to be divided by 2x minus 5, so that whenever this 2x is multiplied by 3x, 3 2s are 6, x square, that here we got 3x multiplied by minus 5, 5 3s are 15 minus 15x. Now here we have to subtract them. Cancelled. Now it becomes minus 16x 47. Now minus 8 multiplied to 2x gives minus 16x, and minus 8 into minus 5 gives plus 40. Again, this bottom expression sign to be changed. This will now cancelled, and here we got 7 as remainder. Remainder is 7, quotient 3x minus 8. Now we have to solve question number 14. Here this polynomial is divided by a polynomial. So again we can write so that this 2x square multiplied by x gives 2x cube. Now this x to be multiplied to minus 3x gives minus 3x square, and this x multiplied to 5 gives 5x. Now we have to subtract them. Cancelled. Minus 2x square plus 3x minus 5 is now remainder or new dividend. So that again this 2x square minus 2x square to be divided by 2x square, that means we have to multiply minus 1, that becomes minus 2x square plus 3x minus 5. So that again we have to change their sign. Cancelled, cancelled, cancelled. Now remainder becomes 0 and quotient is now x minus 1. Thank you. And rest of the questions that I have not done here are to be done in assignment work. If students have any doubt, they can give their queries or put their queries in class group also.